So this one is very advanced. This one where you want me to find u. So u is the subject, right? U is where is u? U is inside here. Wow, it's like it's inside a very deep cave. So we got to slowly take the thing out from the cave. Okay, then do you watch my video? My YouTube video. So I have a YouTube video on this subject formula. Later I'll send you. I have a YouTube channel. Please go and subscribe to it. I have set the playlist for Sec 1 and Sec 2 stuff so that you can go through this during your free time or when you need, sometimes you need help. Okay. So to take away the square root or the cube root, write down the instruction first. The square root or cube root must be alone. Okay. So in order to be alone means that we have to isolate, you know, like quarantine. Now that it's COVID-19, we have to quarantine him first. First, we bring the s over. So r minus s is equals to okay. How do I remove this square root? To the power of 2 on the other side. Okay? That will remove the square root. Okay? So what it mean? So the s is still very inside, very deep inside. Okay? What is the next thing you will do? I said make it linear first, right? Linear means in one straight row. So there's a 3 as the denominator. So what do you think you should do? How to remove the 3? Times what? So you times 3 on the left side, times 3 on the right side. You will get 3 okay? The u is still very deep inside, which is here. Okay? So slowly you can either distribute, no problem, okay? But let me show you something you can do. Now, as a bracket to this, what is the operation that is here? There's an operation that is here. It's called multiply, right? Yeah? So there's a multiply that is here. So the opposite of when we want to bring the s away, okay, I'll just divide by s to both sides. So basically 3, yes, r minus s squared over s is equals to t minus u. Okay, and because this guy is, you're almost there already. This guy is negative u, I bring him to the left side. So u is equals to, because negative u, I bring him to the left side. And then I bring this whole, this is called a whole group, to the right side. T minus 3 okay, bring this whole red group to the right side. Okay, so is it complicated? It's not complicated. Whenever you have things that is on the inside, right, slowly bring it out. Slowly bring it out. Okay, slowly bring it out. Then always check your answer. My answer on the right side here. This guy, is there any u inside or not? Make sure there's no u inside right now. Make sure no u on the right hand side. Okay, so make sure there's no u on the right hand side. Okay, so I repeat, in order to remove the square root, your square root must be alone, one person on the left, either side only. Okay, so the first step, we bring the s over first so that my square root is alone on one side. Now to remove the square root, I square both sides. So when I square, the square root gone. But the right side will have a square. Okay, then most of the time in subject formula, advanced one, you need to make it linear. So I multiply by 3 so that the fraction is gone. Then I divide away by the s to take out the, so make sure that u is free. Okay, make sure u is free. Once it's free already, I'll make it's a simple make u the subject.